from my side. Okay, fine. Okay, so the course is going to end by July. Okay, July 31st. Of course, we have only 2 weekends, right? Today is 22nd. Today, tomorrow we are going to discuss, and next again 29, 30 we are going to discuss. Then June and July, complete June and July. It will take 2 months to complete the course. Okay, so the course duration is usually 2 to 2.5 months. Okay, and we are going to discuss, as I told you, we are going to discuss completely from very scratch level to expert level as well. Okay, you can keep 5 years of experience. Believe me, if you are like practicing every day, if you are dedicated, you can keep 6 years also. But again, people will worry, in case if I keep 6 years, a lot of responsibilities will be there for me. So usually, okay, yes, sometimes it is correct. Okay, if you go with 6 years of experience, sometimes you will get team lead position or L3 position or L4 position. So that's time, in that case it will be somewhat difficult to manage. Yes, I agree. But if you learn the course completely, it is not that much of difficult. I'll be there to help you and to support you, so don't worry at all. You can keep, as an average, you can keep 4 to 5 years of experience. That much level we are going to discuss. Practice, I told you, right? In case if I am discussing 1 hour of course, you have to practice. How many years you want to keep? 4 years, 4 hours daily you have to practice. You want to keep 5 years, 5 hours you have to practice daily. Okay, so yes, practice is very important. Don't think like we'll get a job with 8 lakhs LPA, 9 LPA, 10 LPA, okay, 10 lakhs per annum without practicing. In case you get the job also, you have to struggle a lot, okay, to survive in the job. Without subject, it will be very difficult. Believe me, I can help you to get the job, but what is the use if you are like unable to survive in the job? So practice is very important. Don't simply think, okay, sir will take care of everything. Yes, I will take care of everything. But if you are not preparing, what I can do? If you are not putting efforts, how can I give you a chance for earning 10 lakhs per annum or 8 lakhs per annum? You have to put some efforts from your side, right? Right? So that's why practice, you have to do the practice from the day one onwards. Okay, I'll help you to, okay, um, discuss everything. I'll help you to, like, in case if you are facing any issues, I can help you to fix those issues and all. But as a trainer, I'm only expecting a piece of dedication from you. I know it will be difficult studying at this age, but there is no other way, there is no other chance for us. Okay, lot of commitments will be there for you people as well. Some people are working, some people are housewives. I know it is very difficult to like give 2 hours 3 hours time every day, but we don't have chance. Just give me 2 months of your time, that's it. I'm not asking anything from you. Just give me 2 months of your time. Okay, I'll help you to settle in a good position. That's it. Right? Practice. Make sure you are practicing daily, every day. In every, like in every session, I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm going to give you some assignments. Try to complete those assignments. Of course, every batch I'll tell the same thing, but people are not going to complete. But at the end of the day, okay, you are going to face the difficulties. Right? Next, lab setup and prerequisites for setting up the lab. So usually we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox software, okay, to configure the, okay, SQL servers and virtual machines, okay, and your Windows servers and all. We are going to use Oracle VirtualBox software. Okay, so I'll provide you the softwares. Every software I'm going to provide you, nothing to worry. So this is how the machines are going to look like. Okay, these are the machines for a previous batch. Okay, so you can see a lot of machines are there. Okay, so what is the prerequisite for practicing or for setting up the lab in your laptop? Okay, the main prerequisite is RAM, which is at least 8 GB to 12 GB. Okay, lab should be at least, your laptop RAM should be at least 8 GB to 12 GB, so that you can practice all the concepts. You can practice all the concepts with 8 GB to 12 GB. In case you don't have 8 GB RAM, you are having only 4 GB RAM. Initially, for the first 1 month, you can manage, off of the course you can manage with 4 GB RAM. while discussing these high availability concepts, okay, we should have three machines like this. We'll have active directory, we'll have node 1, node 2. Node 1 will act as a primary, node 2 will act as a secondary, and active directory will act as a domain. Okay, so all three machines will run at a time, which will create lot of pressure on the laptop. So laptop will be hanged in case if you have less RAM. So up to 1 month you can manage the practice with 4 GB laptops. After 1 month, okay, before starting these high availability concepts, okay, at least 4 GB to, sorry, 12 GB to 8 GB, 8 GB to 12 GB RAM should be there. Okay, in case you have only 4 GB, order in the Amazon or Flipkart, 4 GB RAM will be like around 2000 to 2500 will be there. Just order it from the Amazon and you can get it. Okay, and you can only insert the RAM in case you are facing any difficulties. Okay, I'll help you, okay, to like particular what we can say, to set up the RAM and all. Okay, okay, but we should have at least 8 GB to 12 GB RAM to practice quickly. Okay, right. Next, yes, someone is having some questions here. What about hard disk? Yes, thank you. Okay, hard disk. Okay, you should have at least 100 GB free space in any of the drives. Okay, at least 100 GB of free space. 8 to 12 GB RAM, 100 GB of free space is enough. Even like here, if you see, I'm having, okay, if you open this PC, okay, you can see maybe one drive 50 GB free, one drive another drive 50 GB free. That's fine. Not 100 GB in a single drive. You can have multiple drives also. Okay, at least 100 GB free space is important. Not hard GB, not hard disk, not 100 GB hard disk. 100 GB free space in the hard disk is needed. Okay, each machine usually will create with a 25 GB. Three machines, 325 is 75 GB. Okay, so 75 to 100 GB is good enough to practice. Okay, right. So the laptop RAM should be like 8 to 12 GB, and 100 GB free space hard disk should be needed. Okay, free space in the hard disk, right. I'm going to provide you the softwares once you are confirmed. Once you are continue with this batch, I'm going to provide you the softwares and all. I'll help you how to set up the VirtualBox and all. We have a class for that as well. Okay, we are going to discuss that as well. And one more question: can we use external hard disk? No, no, Vishnu. Okay, you cannot use external hard disk. You can use external hard disk to move your personal data to hard disk, external hard disk, and you can use local hard disk only. You cannot create virtual machines in the external hard disk. You cannot install Windows servers operating system in the external hard disk. It won't support. So in case if you have external hard disk, try to move your unused data from your local laptop to the external hard disk and create some free space in your particular local laptop. Once practice is completed, then you can remove the machines. Okay, but you cannot use directly the external hard disk, okay, for setting up the virtual machines and all. Okay, clear? Yes. Okay, that's fine. And yeah, softwares and notes. I told you, right? We are going to provide you. I'm here to provide you the softwares. Every software what we are using, like Windows Server operating systems, SQL Server softwares, and Oracle VirtualBox softwares. I'm going to provide you the softwares once you are okay to continue with this batch. Okay, then I'll provide you the softwares and notes. Initially, half of the notes will be sent to you. Okay, once the course is like half completed, then again I'm going to send you the course for each topic: log shipping separate notes, mirroring separate notes, replication separate notes, like that, backups and recovery separate notes. For each topic, I'm going to send you the separate notes and all once the classes are completed. Meeting softwares that will be used and recording. So we are going to use the Zoom meeting software, mostly the same meeting link which I have forwarded to you, which you are attending now. The same meeting link will be there throughout the class. This is not demo class again. Okay, this is a regular class. This is a class 1. Okay, class 2, class 3, class 4. It will continue like that. Class 1, class 2, class 3, like you can treat it as a demo or anything, but it will continue. Again, I am not going to discuss all these things. It will continue. Class 1 we have to discuss today. Class 2 we are going to start with SQL Server versions and all. Okay, it will continue. So we are going to use the same meeting link throughout the course. Okay, so no need to worry about the meeting link and all. Simply save the meeting link on your desktop. Just click on the meeting link. It won't ask passcode and all. If you click on the meeting link, it won't ask passcode. If you are manually entering the meeting ID and all, then it will ask the passcode. Okay, if you click on the meeting link, in the meeting link only the password also will be there, so it won't ask passcode and all. Just save the meeting link on your desktop to attend regularly. Okay, right, fine. Meeting software, we are going to use Zoom meeting software, and it will be ended for every 40 minutes. Once it was completed, once the meeting is closed, again you have to open the same meeting link, okay, to join in the class. Recordings, I am going to record from my side. Every class will be recorded from my side, and I'll give you the recording permissions for you as well. But if you join from laptop, then only I can give you the recording permissions. If you join from phone, I cannot see record option in the Zoom software. Okay, so I cannot give you recording permissions if you are joined from phone. Okay, try to join from laptop. Don't wait for my recordings. It may, sometimes it may be late if I am busy with other things and all. I can send late. Okay, so that's why don't wait for my recordings. Try to join from laptop and try to record the classes. Okay, doubts and exercises. Doubts, yes, in case of any doubts, if you're having, if you're facing any issues, any doubts, you can stop me in the middle, you can ask me. Okay, again, don't worry. Okay, don't feel shy. Okay, everyone are on the same phase. Okay, don't worry, like if I ask this question, what will happen, maybe people are going to laugh. No, nothing will happen. Okay, so in case of any doubts, you can happily, you can ask me. In case if you are feeling that kind of shyness, you can, okay, send a message in the WhatsApp as well, or in the Zoom chat as well. Exercise, every, at the end of each class I'll give you some exercises. Okay, at the end of each class I'll give you some exercises. Try to complete the exercise. Exercise will help you in clearing the interviews. Exercise, see, DBA stuff completely depends upon the, okay, not only DBA, any IT job, you know, right? So we have to take the help of the Google. Okay, so at least you have to know how to search, what kind of keywords we have to use to troubleshoot, to fix the issue. Don't think all DBAs who are doing jobs are very great. They are also using Google only, but you have to know, right, what kind of keywords you have to use to get the proper answer. So that's why, to improve your searching skills, to improve your like interview skills and all, we are going to, I'm going to give you some exercise. These exercise has to be completed by the next class. Okay, about me, you know, right? I guess, myself Shanmukh, having 10 plus years of experience as a SQL DBA. Okay, and since 6 years, 6.5 years, I'm teaching. I'm in the teaching field. Okay, very short intro about me. So that is all about for today's demo class. And let me know in case of any challenges, any issues, whether you're able to understand, if the class is very speed or very slow. Just let me know your reviews. Based on that, we are going to, okay, do changes for the next class. Yes. Any issues, Vishnu?
No, sir. All clear.
Okay,
Sir,
Parameshwar.
I
Yes,
sir, I
yes,
have a doubt.
yes,
Sir,
yes,
actually we are using Microsoft SQL Server now, sir.
yes, yes,
And again, you are taking from the desktop Oracle Virtual Machine. Like, is there
yeah,
any difference both of them or same?
yes. I'll tell you. Okay, so actually, we have two types of machines. Machine means a server. Okay, physical
Okay.
machine, virtual machine. Okay, so some
Okay.
people, some trainers, what they will do, they will install SQL Server directly in their local laptop. Okay, but actually in the organization it is completely different. The picture is completely different. Okay, we will have Windows servers. On top of Windows servers, we are going to install the SQL Server. Okay, so that means virtual machines, we are going to work with virtual machines in the organization. Okay, so how to create virtual machine? To create the virtual machine, we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox software. We have one software called Oracle VirtualBox software. By using that Oracle VirtualBox software, we are going to create the virtual machines like as it is in the organization. Then we are going to install Windows operating system on top of the virtual machine. Then we are going to install SQL Server on the particular virtual machine. So to create the virtual machine in our laptop, we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox software. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Okay. But this one is Microsoft SQL Server only, na, sir. It is
Mm-hmm.
not a Oracle SQL
It
Server,
is
right,
not
sir?
Oracle. It's, see, Oracle is completely different only to
Yes.
create the virtual machines. There is no
Okay.
relationship between Oracle and SQL Server Microsoft. Okay, both are different. Oracle
Okay.
is providing a software to create the virtual machines. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, on once virtual machine is created, then we can create the SQL servers in the virtual machines. We can install the
Okay.
SQL servers in the virtual machines. Just to create virtual machines, we are going to use Oracle. but there is no relationship between the Oracle and SQL Server. Okay. You
Okay,
can
sir.
use, we have different types of virtual machine softwares, like we have Oracle VirtualBox, VMware, you know, right? By using VMware, we
Yes.
can create virtual machines, and Hyper-V from Microsoft. Again, you can use Hyper-V also, but throughout our practice, we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? And Cher, any questions, please? Any reviews, any suggestions? You want to add something, Geetanjali?
Like, sir, course content, these are only will cover, like any course content is there, sir? What are all
Yeah, I'll
subjects?
provide you. I'll forward you the course content. Okay, what and all topics we are going to cover, I'll provide you the course content for you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Any other questions?
Yeah, Harsh.
Yes, Gautam. Your
Yeah,
voice.
hello.
Yeah, Gautam, your voice is
Yeah,
breaking,
what
Gautam.
about the opening place of experience?
Yes, yes. How many years of
Yeah,
experience?
okay, am I clear now?
Yeah.
With
How
four
many?
years of experience.
With 4 years are good. Okay, since 6 years, since this COVID pandemic, okay, openings are like good number of openings are there on the SQL DBA. Okay, in case if you or your friends are trying to jump into the IT field, this is the best time to jump into the IT field. Why? Because for the next 6 months, remember before COVID, this is how the situation is. Somehow you can clear the interview with anyone's help, with proxy help and all. But at the end of the day, once you go to the company, you will like SQL DBS are going to cover you. Okay, they are going to around you, so that in case of any issue comes, you cannot ask them. Why? Because they can easily find out whether you are a you can easily find out whether you are a okay real DBA or fake DBA, right? So it will be very difficult in case if you have to work from office. Only 10 people in 100 will survive their jobs. In case if you have to work from the office, okay, only 10 percentage people can survive their jobs. But due to this pandemic, okay, you can do work from home and you can take support from other DBS as well, so that 90 people out of 100 people can survive their jobs in case you get the job. Okay, so since 6 months, okay, a lot of good openings are there for 4 years of experience in SQL DBA. I see daily or at least monthly, minimum 5 to 10 calls are coming for the people. Okay, I see the openings are good. And again, for the next 6 months, you can survive with the only SQL DB. You can get the job with only SQL DB for the next 6 months to 1 year. You can get the job, okay, with only SQL DB. After 1 year, maybe they will ask you Azure also. The extension for SQL DBA is Azure SQL DBA. Already people are started asking, okay, Azure knowledge as well, but you can manage. I just started learning or I'm planning to learn. You can just manage it. But after 1 year, you have to add Azure knowledge also to your SQL DBA to get the job. In case if you placed before 1 year, that will be helpful for you. You can learn once you get the job. Once you can start learning Azure as well once you got the job. But after 1 year, if you want to try, it will be difficult. They will ask you SQL DB and they will ask you Azure knowledge also. So try to plan immediately. Okay, the openings are good as of now. The openings are good for 4 years of experience. For 3.6 years also, the calls are good. 3.62. Just try to keep at least 3.6 to 5 years, so that you are going to get a lot of calls, good calls at least. And try to, again, it depends upon the updating your resume, how your resume, how much like strength is there in your resume. Okay, what are the techniques you are using to get the calls? Don't think like simply if I update the resume in the Naukri, I'll get the calls. That days are gone. If you update the resume in the Naukri every day, you won't get the calls. Lot of techniques, tips you have to follow to get the calls. Okay, so that I'll help you how to get the calls and all. Yes, any questions? Geetanjali, as a trainer, I cannot tell my company name. Okay, in case if you just ping me in the WhatsApp, I'll tell you. Okay, fine. Any questions, please? Gautam and Jaychandra. Jaychandra, any questions?
Yeah, clear, Shanmugh. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Parameshwar Reddy, any questions? Yes. Priya.
No, sir. No, sir. No
Okay.
issues, sir.
Yes. Priya, any questions, please? In case if you are unable to ask, just you can type in the chat as well. Rajshekhar, any questions?
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir. This
Yes.
which is done now today recording, can I get same link through that listen one more time to this demo sessions, whatever tomorrow
I'll
complete?
usually what I will do is once the classes are over by Sunday. Okay, and one more thing I just want to inform, for the first 3 weeks the classes will be on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sorry, Saturday, Sunday only for the first 3 weeks. Okay, the classes will be on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, fourth week onwards I'm going to take one more extra day from Friday onwards. I'll take the classes Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekly 3 days, 7:30 to 9:30 morning. Okay, for the first 3 days, Saturday, Sunday only. Fourth week onwards, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is how you have to plan.
Sir, recording videos. If I
Recordings,
will click,
yes, recordings. Once the classes are completed, say for example, by tomorrow the classes are going to be completed for this week, right? You are going to get the recordings by Sunday noon or
Yes.
Monday early morning. You are going to get the same recordings. In case you want to listen, you can listen.
Yes, sir. One more
Okay.
time we wanted to
Yes,
listen,
yes,
sir. That's
yes,
the reason.
yes. Okay, I'm going to forward you the recordings. Okay, you will get
Okay.
either Sunday evening or Monday morning.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any questions, please? Rajashekar, Sai, Snehita Reddy, Banu.
No, sir.
Okay,
Fine, sir. No more questions.
okay,
No, sir, I don't have any questions. I'm
okay.
good now.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, okay. So in case if you don't have any questions, okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the classes from the versions. Okay, what are the versions of the SQL Server? Like what are the editions of the SQL Server? What are the components of the SQL Server? Okay, okay. These things we are going to discuss from tomorrow onwards. What is the data? What is the information? How we are going to store the data? Okay, from very basics as discussed. From very basics, we are going to discuss the classes from tomorrow onwards. In case, okay, if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. And that's it for today. Okay, in case you want to give any suggestions also, you can just ping me in the WhatsApp as well. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for joining.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.